Science 14, Unit C, Section 11.2, What affects homeostasis? The digestive and circulatory systems work together to maintain homeostasis in blood sugar levels, water balance, enzyme levels, and waste product levels. Many things can interfere with homeostasis. You can control some of these with diet and lifestyle, for example. If your diet contains too few, too many, or poor quality nutrients, then your body will suffer. Lack of exercise or sleep will also create problems. And smoking and drug use interfere with homeostasis. Other factors are linked to genetics. They are inherited, and you have very little control over those. Health risk factors include diets high in carbohydrates or fats. Fats are harder to digest than other nutrients, which is part of why they're bad. Deposits clog blood vessels, decreasing blood flow and making the heart work harder. And gallstones, which are crystallized cholesterol, can also form. Excess carbohydrates may lead to obesity, which means being 10% over your ideal weight. From overeating or eating the wrong foods, this increases the risk of heart disease, among other things. And also related to that, eating a lot of food can lead to heartburn. Smoking. During smoking, the body secretes hormones that temporarily increase blood pressure. This decreases the amount of oxygen in blood, doubles the risk of heart attacks and sudden cardiac death. This may relax the muscle at the bottom of the esophagus, also causing heartburn and indigestion. It's also linked to respiratory problems and lung cancer, but I'm sure you've heard that. Drugs. Stimulants are a type of drug that speed up heart rate and may cause irregular rhythms. They may also cause diarrhea, abdominal pain, changes in sleep patterns, anxiety, loss of appetite, and vomiting. This is starting to sound like an American FDA commercial or something like that. Depressants are things that slow down heart rate. They may cause nausea, increased acid production, vomiting, and diarrhea or constipation. Overdoses can, of course, cause brain or organ damage or death, just like stimulants, of course. Exercise. Results of a lack of exercise could be digestive food staying in the large intestine for too long and get a feces coating that results in poor nutrient absorption. Also, lack of exercise constricts blood vessels, increases your risk of heart disease, increases your risk of becoming overweight, and risk of joint disorders such as arthritis. Poor digestion can also cause constipation. So all of these risks that we've been talking about can be reduced by stopping risky behaviors. It's like the joke, doctor, it hurts when I hit my head like this, and the doctor says, well, stop doing that. For example, don't eat hamburgers, fries, salts, etc. very often. And also, risks can be reduced by forming healthy habits, such as exercise, which includes video games, as you can see on your figure 11.4 in your textbook. And it doesn't just have to be Dance Dance Revolution or Wii Fit or those sorts of games. But anyway, of course, any exercise is good for your body. And that's it.